Hello friends, I am Fahad and you are watching Fahad VFX YouTube channel. Welcome to another new titles video. How to import Mograt to Premiere. Here I give a tip to import Mograt templates to Adobe Premiere Pro. This tutorial is intended specially to beginner users of Adobe products. Mograt is a file which contains a motion graphics template for use in Adobe Premiere Pro. When you double click it, it starts open with After Effects, or it asks you to download After Effects if you do not own it. Since some of the effects used in Mograt templates are not supported by Premiere, you need to install After Effects. If your Creative Cloud subscription does not include After Effects, it can be installed a trial version, and you can apply Mograt in conjunction with the subscription for Premiere Pro. This will continue to work after the trial period for After Effects has expired. To use it correctly, you need to import this Mograt file to Premiere in a specific way. Open Premiere and create a project. Open Essential Graphic Panel. There are two ways to do this. Number 1. Click Window on the top bar and select Essential Graphics. Number 2. Click Window on the top bar, select Workspace and select Graphics. Now Essential Graphics panel appears on your project. Drag its space if it is too narrow. Make sure Browse tab is selected on your Essential Graphics panel and click the plus icon at the bottom. A pop-up window opens to select a Mograt template you want to use and click Open. Now the Mograt you imported is in your selection. Create a sequence by clicking File on the top bar and directing yourself New Sequence. Drag the Mograt template you have just imported to Essential Graphics panel to your timeline. When you click the Mograt template in the timeline, Edit tab opens on Essential Graphics panel so that you can edit it. If you like this video, please share and subscribe Fahad VFX for more videos. Thank you.